Families are the foundation of life, our society, culture, and civilization. We inherit our genes, our beliefs, our values, and our lifestyles from our parents, grandparents, ancestors, as well as the culture around us. Some of those beliefs and patterns support us in a positive way, allowing us to flourish and be successful. Others inhibit our ability to live free, happy, healthy, abundant, and loving lives. However, we have wise and loving ancestors to help heal our bloodlines. Our ancestors are willing to help us transform our lineage, repair old wounds, and embody our deepest gifts. They can break us free from painful legacies and open the door to healing and transformation. On this website, you will find many resources, including books, articles, private sessions with me for ancestral lineage clearing and other shamanic sessions, programs, classes and training, and case studies from client sessions. Thank you for visiting. I hope you find these services valuable. Remember, your ancestors love you and want to help you find abundance, health, and love in your life.